Pixel 7 Pro, it's here. My SIM card is in the Pixel 7 Pro, and I'm going to share with you guys why I switched to the Pixel 7 Pro and why it is my main device. Google has been doing a really good job, and the refinements that we get with Pixel 7 Pro has justified me keeping my SIM card in this device. So, without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, Pixel 7 Pro. Why did I even switch to this device? Well, there's two main reasons. One is just going to be this design. It's the unique Pixel design. When you see this, this is the Pixel 7 Pro. Then again, you kind of have to know how a Pixel device looks like. But that's why Pixel and Google, they created this specific design. So when you do see it, you know it's a Pixel device. When you go to your local carrier store or your local Best Buy or whatever tech store it is, and you see this, and you're like, wow, what phone is that? And they say that's a Pixel. For the most part, I would think you would imagine or remember this phone. Like how when you see an iPhone, you know it's an iPhone because it just has that iconic squared off design with the cameras in the top left on the back of the phone. This is the same. It has a camera visor, which they refined a lot. Now it has like aluminum metal feel to it, glossy finish on 7 Pro, and matte finish, which I would personally prefer on Pixel 7. Last year's Pixel 6 had a dual tone finish. This white color, which Google Pixel does call snow. It has least fingerprints on this compared to other Pixel devices. It tracks the least fingerprints, at least in my case. But I absolutely love this design. It looks classy. It feels like a classy phone. And I gotta say, I like that classy vibe. The coffee, it fits like that coffee and minimal vibe. Like when I go to Starbucks or when I go to like another coffee shop and I order my cup of coffee and I sit down, I just feel like, wow, this is a nice phone. This is a nice clean phone. I like it. And I also like when I don't use a case on it, but I have a case. Sometimes I just like to, when I'm at home, I take it off. Like when I'm using it at my desk, I take it off because I don't really need to worry about it too much. Obviously, if I'm out on the go, I do have a case on the Pixel 7 Pro, or like if I'm at a coffee shop and I'm sitting at a table, I'll take it off. I'll take it off and use it. And I just like the look and feel of it. It fits that vibe. And I'm all about that coffee and classy minimal vibe. So there's that. For me, design was a huge reason why. It also has less dramatic side, or it's curved. It's a curved display, but it has less dramatic curves than the Pixel 6 Pro. I haven't had any accidental touches whatsoever. Display is also really great too. Reason number two. Let's talk about reason number two. That's going to be software. First of all, there is face unlock. Obviously, you can't really see from my angle, but let's go like that. There we go. Let's do one more time. And one last time. It's fast. Now, pointing it up, fingerprint sensor is just a little bit improved. Obviously, it's not the fastest, but like I can kind of get away with just one tap and it works. Whereas Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, it would really want me to press firm and wait for it. This one doesn't really require it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But as you saw in this part, it did not. Software has been great. Android 13 has also been super smooth. No stutters, no hiccups whatsoever. It's been a stable release so far. I haven't come across really any big hiccups here and there. But I just want to put it out there, like software, there's bound to always have something happen. It's software. It's going to happen in the end. But for me, in my experience, no issues whatsoever. And that's why I've enjoyed it. Android 12 was the huge Material U design overhaul. And I think that design overhaul with Android 13, they just kind of smoothed things out, ironed things out. And it also fits that classy minimal vibe. I absolutely love it. Like I absolutely love this weather widget, the clock widget, everything about it. I even like this lock screen. I really do. I like the icons and how they color match my wallpaper pack, which is called Illusions. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below if you want to check it out and support the channel. I also have a bunch of other wallpapers that I'm working on, and hopefully I'll release them in the coming weeks and months. So if you want to check out my wallpaper packs, link in the description down below. But yeah, Pixel 7 Pro. I like it. I really do. And with software, obviously, Android 14, 15, and 16, 3 years of software updates, you're going to be getting them on day one, which I absolutely love about Google Pixel. I'm getting the latest and greatest software on day one. I get to try out the latest and greatest software on day one. I absolutely love it. But yeah, for me, I like to use phones kind of with like a clean, minimal, classy design. And I also like to have it match what I wear, which also I have the Pixel Watch, which also is great. It also fits that minimal, classy vibe too. And I have the nice silver color as well as the Silver 7 Pro. So shout out to Google for sending these devices out. But I genuinely love the refinements that Google has made with the Pixel 7 Pro. Definitely would recommend this device. Would recommend using it as a daily. It doesn't have like the latest and greatest. It doesn't have old like latest and greatest as in it doesn't have 100 megapixel camera. It doesn't have the highest end chipset. It has its own Tensor G2 silicon chipset, which still performs really well and works better with AI and Google's software optimization. It doesn't have like 100-watt charging. It doesn't have like a 240 hertz display, whatever it is. It doesn't have the highest end hardware, but I think it has the highest end software. This works really well. Google Assistant has helped me with my homework. Voice dictation has helped me with my homework. So that's a huge plus for me. But my SIM card's in here. I'll be keeping it in the Pixel 7 for the foreseeable future. I want to hear your thoughts and your comments about Pixel 7 Pro in the comments section down below. Are you going to pick this up? Did you pick this up? Or just what are your thoughts about this? Do you like the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro? I want to hear them in this description or in the comments down below. But that's really been it. I hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy, be sure to zoom out and like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. And will help push my content out to more people and help me reach my goal of 2022 of reaching 25,000 subscribers. At the time of this recording, we're at 23,000, somewhere around 23,200, give or take. So I really appreciate that. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting. It really does mean a lot. Catch you guys in the next episode.